Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today, let's revise the second part of the seventh lesson, that is around Delhi. Okay, so let's get started. Delhi, an important place. Millie and Joy are proud of the way the city is growing and developing with time. They were happy when Nisha told them how grand the new flyovers, roads, and metro bridges looked. So Millie and Joy, they are very proud of their place, that is Delhi. Why? Because it's growing and developing with the time. They were also happy to listen from Nisha that how grand the new flyovers, roads, and metro bridges looked so beautiful. What is the meaning of flyovers, children? Flyover means a bridge that allows a road to cross over another. That is called as a flyover. Okay. Who do you think takes care of the city and looks after its needs? Of course, the answer is government. So, who will take care of the city, children? The government. Okay, the government will look after the needs of the city people. We have learned that the national capital territory of Delhi is a union territory. Being the capital of India, it is a very important place. Delhi has two sets of governments. There is the Delhi government, which looks after the needs of Delhi, and the central government, which looks after the whole nation. So the national capital territory of Delhi is a union territory. We have learned about this. Now, being the capital of India, Delhi is very important place. Why? Because Delhi has two sets of governments, children. One is the Delhi government, and Delhi government, what they will do, they will look after the needs of the Delhi people. And Delhi also has another set of government, that is the central government. What central government will do? Central government will look after the needs of the whole nation, that is India. Okay, the president, the prime minister, and the other important government officials stay and work from Delhi. So the president, prime minister, and other important government officials, what they do, they stay in Delhi and they work from there. The Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the two houses of parliament, meet at the Parliament House. Look at the picture. This is the Parliament House. Here the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha meet here. Okay, and important officials from other countries called diplomats also stay and work in Delhi. So the diplomats from the other countries, they also work and stay in Delhi. They are known as the ambassadors or high commissioners. Okay, the important officials from the other countries, they are called as the ambassadors or high commissioners. So it was about the Delhi. Now, city tour. The kids had a great time going around Delhi. They visited many historical places and learned more about the city. Back from their visit, Nisha, Millie, and Joy put together a beautiful scrapbook. So Nisha, Millie, and Joy, they had a great time going around the Delhi, and they visited many historical places in Delhi, and they learned about them. Back from their visit, Nisha, Millie, and Joy, what they did, they made a beautiful scrapbook. They pasted wonderful photographs of the places they visited. Here are a few pages from their scrapbook. Read and enjoy. First is Qutub Minar, the tall one. Now we are going to learn the important places of Delhi. Okay. First one is Qutub Minar, the tall one. The Qutub Minar is is as high as a 5-story tower. Joy felt a strain in his neck when he looked up to see it. Look at the picture here. This is Qutub Minar, children. Okay, it is very high, and it is a 5-story tower. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a 5-story tower, and Joy, when he looked up to see this Qutub Minar, he felt a strain in his neck. He felt a pain in his neck. That much high it was. Okay. One of the first sultans of Delhi, Qutb Uddin Aibak, built it about 800 years ago. So the first sultans of Delhi built this Qutub Minar 800 years ago. His name was Qutb Uddin Aibak. Okay. The iron pillar is another interesting structure near the building. It is over 2000 years old. An iron pillar is also an interesting structure, children. In Delhi, you can see, and that pillar is 2000 years old. Imagine how amazing it is, right? Though it is made of iron, there is no rust on it. Imagine that. Just imagine that it is 2000 years old, and it is made up of iron, but yet there is no rust on it. What is the meaning of rust? Rust means the reddish brown coating on iron is called as rust. That is nothing but zung. Okay, in Urdu we say zung. So that is also an important thing to see in Delhi. Next is the Arc of India Gate. India Gate is a wide arched gateway. It reminded Nisha of the Gateway of India in Mumbai. So Nisha, she belongs to Mumbai na. So when Nisha visited this India Gate, she got reminded of the Gateway of India in Mumbai. In the middle of the arched gateway, there is a flame that burns 24 hours a day. Look at here. This is the India Gate, okay, and it is a wide arched gateway. What is the meaning of arched? It is a curved. So in this middle arc of this gateway, there is a flame that will burn 24 hours a day. What that flame is called as? It is called as the Amar Jawan Jyoti. Okay, it is called as the Amar Jawan Jyoti. It burns to remember the Indian soldiers who died fighting for the country. So that flame, it burns to remember about the Indian soldiers who died fighting for the country. The names of the brave soldiers are written on the stone gateway, and also on this gateway you can see the names of the soldiers written. Okay. The next place is Old Viceroy's New Presidents. It is also an interesting place to visit in Delhi. At a short distance from the India Gate is the magnificent Rashtrapati Bhavan. Look at the picture here. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, where it is. It is short distance from the India Gate. Okay, the President of India lives here. It has the famous Mughal gardens where beautiful flowers bloom in winter. So in Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President of India will live there, and in Rashtrapati Bhavan, there is a famous Mughal garden where beautiful flowers bloom in winter season. Okay, children. Well, I would like to end up my discussion here, children. We'll catch up in the next video with the last part of this lesson revision. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.